Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly export your project for YouTube. Open your project, go to File, Export, Media, or you can hit Control M, and then a screen like this will come up. From here, you're going to want to make sure the format is H.264. You're going to go to Preset, and scroll down until you see YouTube 1080p Full HD. This will make most of these settings optimal for YouTube videos. You could export it straight from here. There are two other settings that you may want to change. You may want to consider clicking Render at Maximum Depth and changing the VBR passes from 1 pass to 2. This will take your video longer to encode, but if you're planning on having your video watched on a very large screen, this may give it better quality. From here, you can hit Q. This will open Adobe Media Encoder. You can see here, Adobe Media Encoder open. You can click this output file and rename your file here. And hit save. And then hit this play symbol here, and it'll begin encoding. And that's a quick way to export your video for YouTube. Thanks for watching.